So today I am filming this tutorial of an everyday makeup look. So I say it like that because I don't really wear makeup every day. So I'm just gonna get right on into it. So I'm gonna prime my skin using the Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline. Let me just take a look big. I say about that much. And just put it in the main areas. I'm going to go into my concealer. So I'm using the LA Pro, oh, this is upside down. The LA Pro Girl Concealer. And what is this? An orange corrector. So I just take a little bit on the back of my hand. Where's my blender? So I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender by Real Techniques. It's a little rough. And the setting spray because I forgot to wet mine. Beauty Blender. And just wet a little bit. And just blend that in. And if y'all see me looking away from the camera, it's because I'm looking into a mirror, which I think I'm kind of. The first thing I'm gonna start off with is my Anastasia foundation stick in the color Espresso. Now the reason I have this dark shade is because, like, when I take pictures, my neck is darker than my face, and that's the case for a lot of people. But when I put on a foundation that actually matches my skin, it always makes my neck look darker. And when I take flash pictures, I look a hot ass mess, okay? And we can't go out like that. And I'm also gonna take this Clinique foundation in Golden Tint. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? Is it focusing? Okay. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that on the back of my hand. So I'm going to use this Sephora brush, foundation brush. I think it's number 56. Yep, number 56. To apply this other foundation and blend it out. What am I gonna do? I'm going to contour. No, actually, I'm going to highlight my face. So I used to cream contour, but I honestly I can't even tell you what turned me off from that. I just feel like it's, I'm not gonna say like a wasted step, a waste of time. I'm not gonna say that. But I just feel like the powder contour is so much better than cream. And so I'm gonna highlight under my eyes. the bridge of my nose, my forehead. I don't do my cupid's bow in my chin because I feel like it just makes my face look bigger, and I have a huge ass head. So none of that. I'm gonna spray my Real Technique sponge. And I'm gonna start blending. I'm gonna do another layer. Cause I feel like it's showing up kind of red in the camera. And I'm actually going to let this dry a little bit. So I'm going to be using the Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark. And I'm going to go in with the darkest shade right here. With the Sonia Kashuk. I don't know how to say her last name. I don't even know what this brush is called. So now I'm going to bake using the CoverGirl Setting Loose Powder in 115. Oh, shit. I'm gonna just take a little bit in my top. Off any excess and just press it under my eyes. And around my mouth. And down the bridge of my nose and my forehead. Just anywhere I placed that highlighted. I'm gonna do clean out my contour. I'm gonna let that bake for a minute. Okay, and we're back. So, I'm gonna dust off this powder. And for this, I'm using I just got this brush. It is the Mineral Powder Brush by e.l.f. And it's safe to say that it feels really, really good. It's firm, but not like hard. Okay. So now that my face is set, we are going to highlight with what? No, actually, I'm going to bronze with the same powder brush. But yeah, So for all the girls out there looking for cars, do not go now. I mean, I know it's hard because you're probably like, damn, you about to get this income tax, and you probably tired of walking, asking people for rides, but motherfuckers gonna be out here trying to charge for some bullshit. So just don't do it now. And I'm gonna highlight, so I'm gonna use this NYX illuminating liquid illumination, just to basically play as a base to my highlight. Brows in place using the Wet n Wild Mega Clear. Wait, is it showing up? Using the Wet n Wild Mega Clear mascara. Just get these babies together. To put on some mascara. So I'm going to line my lips. I'm just go in with this clear gloss right here. I literally got this gloss from the dollar store, and it was $2 for $1. I'm so slow. Just some regular little clear lip gloss. Hopefully I like the way this looks, because if I don't, maybe. And just basically just go all on my neck. So I'm gonna go get the rest of my life together, then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I'm just playing, y'all. So I really hope this reaches a lot of people, and I hope that the people who have watched, I hope you guys comment below and just give me honest feedback. Tell me the things I need to work on. Tell me the things you like. Tell me, you know, next video what kind of topics you want me to talk about, because, you know, I'm just a typical girl. So we can have, I understand a whole bunch of things, and I can just give you advice on how to cope with some stuff, or advice on makeup, advice on life, whatever the case may be. So just let me know. And I will have everything that I use in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video. And I will see you next time.